Good morning. So, a quick review over solving systems of equations by graphing. So, this is your Desmos assignment for today. So, I'm just going to kind of quickly go over a couple of the questions as much as I can within the 5-minute time span I have for this video. And then, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me beyond this video help. So, remember that a solution for systems of equation is where two lines intersect at. So you can see that we have the blue line and the red line. So where those 2 points intersect, right here, is the solution to the systems. So you can see there that the ordered pair that I click on it and it tells me that it's 2, 6. So 2, 6 I got because my x-axis is this horizontal axis. So I went over 1, 2, and then I went up 6 to get to that point. So my x-axis coordinate is 2, my y-axis coordinate is 6, and then whenever you click check my work, you should get a nice thumbs up there. So this one works the same way, so I'm not going to go over this. Hopefully you can figure this one out on your own. But our solution, again, is going to be where those two lines intersect at. On this one, so it says, what is the solution to the following systems of equations? The first graph, y equals negative 5 over 3x plus 3 is graphed for you. The second line, y equals 1/3 x minus 3, we have to graph ourselves. So remember that we always start with our y-intercept whenever we're given an equation in slope-intercept form. So my y-intercept is negative 3. So starting at my origin, 0, 0, where those two axes cross, I go to negative 3, which means I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3. I plot my first point there. Now, my slope is 1 over 3. So I go up once, and then I go over 1, 2, 3. And I can keep doing that, up 1 and over 1, 2, 3. Or I could also have went down 1 and then to the left 3 also. So then remember that you can always change it to the line tool and then draw a line through those points. And then hopefully by doing that, you can see that the lines cross right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw it. That way we can see it. So right here is where I'm talking about, where they cross at. So that point then, to figure that out, if you look, I went 1, 2, 3 over, and I went 1, 2 down to get to that point. So my ordered pair, I went over 3 because my x-axis coordinate always goes first, and then I went down 2. And now if I go down, is that going to be positive or negative? It's going to be negative. So my answer is 3, negative 2. I get my thumbs up for I'm correct. So I'm good to move on. The next one works similar. So the first graph is graphed for you, and you just have to graph your second line. For number 5, you have to graph both of the lines. So I'll hurry up and do this one together if we have enough time. Hopefully I won't get caught off, so I might go a little faster than what I normally would. So I have y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1. So I start at my y-axis, which is negative 1, put my first point there. My next point is negative 1 over 2. So I can either go up 1 and to the left 2, or I can go down 1 and then to the right 1. And remember, I said in class the other day to kind of just put as many points as will fit. You can keep going. That should be enough. And I can again draw my line through my points. And then that even extends my graph even more. Next one, I have y equals 1/4 x minus 4. So I go down to negative 4. I plot my first point. Now my slope is 1 over 4. So I go up 1 and then over 4. Up 1 and then over 4. I could also have went down 1 and then to the left 4 because, again, it's positive. So then I draw my line through my points. I can now see where they intersect. So, again, I went over 4. So if I go to the right, that's positive. So I have positive 4, but then I went down 3. So that's going to be a negative 3. So 4, negative 3 is my answer. 6, 7, 6 and 7 work the same way. So only 7 questions that you have to do, and I just did like 3 of them.